Hey, big squires. Today we're going to get PokeMMO on iOS and Android. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. So as you can see, guys, we can play it, and I'm going to show you how to play. So as you can see, guys, we have the full game, and I'm going to show you how to download it. So all you have to do is go in the browser and just go to the website right here, matrixmods.com. So as you can see, guys, we have PokeMMO. So go ahead and press on it and press download. And the next thing we're going to do is verify our device. So what we have to do is download 2 apps, follow the instructions. It's 100% for free from the official app store. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here. As you can see, so it says almost there, missing files. So I just got to download like 2 of these apps. So for instance, we got like Underdog Fantasy. It says down and run for 30 seconds, so I could do that. Or I could do like Made Casino, Travel Town. So just make sure you guys download 2 of the apps and you'll get PokeMMO on your device. Also, there's a couple other things we need to do. First thing is go to settings and turn off low power mode. Another thing is go to general and make sure you have the background app refresh turned on. So this is a very important setting because background app refresh makes your device automatically refresh things, and that's needed for the download. So be sure to try it out, guys. But yeah, that's how to get fully working PokeMMO on your device. So it's super cool, but yeah, try it out, guys, if you like PokeMMO, because this is insane, bro. It actually works. As you can see, we can actually go ahead and play it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. But yeah, if you want to get PokeMMO on your phone, definitely go ahead and try this out for yourself. It's super cool. Um, so yeah, I feel like a lot of people don't know about this, but it is legit. So yeah. So I do want to show you guys right here that each app is different. So you can see like DraftKings says download and follow instructions on the next page, which are to open the app. So yeah, pretty simple stuff, whatever. Just make sure you do 2 of them and you're going to be good to go. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe and make sure you turn on the background refresh and you're going to be good to go. So that's how to get PokeMMO for iPhone. It's easier on Android. You might not have to go through this video, but if you're using an iPhone, guys, it's going to be pretty hard. So definitely go ahead and try it out for yourself. It's super cool. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel if you guys want to get PokeMMO for your phone. So yeah, it's super cool. So yeah, this is legit, bro. And also, if you check on the App Store, you'll see that it is not here. So let me just type PokeMMO, and as you can see, guys, we have an emulator, but you can't run it with an emulator in iOS. But yeah, this is super cool. So I'm gonna see you guys later. So be sure to subscribe to the channel and everything like that. So yeah, this is really wild, and it's fully updated, by the way. So you guys can use it right away. So yeah, I've always tried this. I haven't had a lot of luck with it, but it is legit, and this version works on iOS, which is awesome. So yeah, you guys can actually get down and dirty with PokeMMO for iOS and Android. So I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel. This is super cool and it fully works, guys. So if this tutorial works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. I'm gonna see you guys in another video, but yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys, and get the word out. This is super wild. I'm gonna see you tomorrow.